today is Thursday. TGIT. Thank God it's Thursday. Prepare tayo ng breakfast ni Mia before siya mag-ballet. So yes, today siya magba-ballet. Dress rehearsal nila supposed to be tomorrow. But we have an important meeting tomorrow. So we cannot go sa dress rehearsal niya. So nag-message ako if we can join the Thursday group para sa dress rehearsal. Kasi same naman ata sila ng costume, guys. So, yeah. We will go today para makapunta tayo sa appointment namin bukas ni Daddy. And of course, kasama din si Mia. Wala siyang bantay tomorrow. So, aga kasi yung namin appointment bukas. Hindi kami makakaabot sa dress rehearsal niya. Malapit na yung kanilang concert by the end of the month. So, yeah, in 2 weeks, concert na nila. That's why, yeah, ngayon yung dress rehearsal. This week yung dress rehearsal. So, may makeup na siya. Kulang na lang yung dress kasi kakain pa siya. She requested Nutella bread, pero hindi yan Nutella, guys. Ito pa din yung gamit ko. Paubos na siya, actually. Peste. Yan. From Costco. And I also like the hazelnut of this. Yung isang flavor. So, pag pumunta kami ng Costco, bibili ako nun. Gusto ko nun. Si mama lang kasi bumili nun. And pag pumupunta ako sa kanila, gumagawa ako ng sandwich bread kasi gusto ko siya ilagay sa tinapay. So, the buns that I use is yung brioche. Yung burger buns nila. Ayan. Kasi siya, tamang-tama lang siya. Isang buns, mabubusog ka na talaga. Minsan si Mia nabubusog na, hindi pa nauubos yung yung isa nito. And then, na-miss ko yung Lady's Choice na sandwich spread. So, I got the little one from MCQ last time. Nung Monday, nag-grocery kami ni na mama. This one. Oh, wow, that's amazing.
It hangs together.
Yeah, that's right. So we have 10 minutes to eat. Mia, we have 10 minutes to eat. And then 10 minutes to do your hair. How to do your hair now. Wow, look at Mia's makeup, guys. Wow. Want to see your makeup? Sige na. Eat your bread and then mommy will do your hair.
Can you try doing this? I will show you.
I'll do it. Yeah, later. I know already.
Wait. I'll just show you. I'll just go there.
Oh my gosh. Ubus na to. Maybe if you want.
I'll show you. Did I have like one circle? Let's see. Put another one.
So, you na-eat na your food, Mia.
Click it.
Otherwise, you can't finish it. We can't. No. Turn off my phone because I'm gonna run out of battery. Okay, can you do cook for me? Thank you. To the studio. Dali na. Yan yung kanilang costume. Dali. This way. Dali. Run! Medyo loose yung strap ng kanyang dress. Hurry up. Wow, so pretty. Tapos na si Mia, guys. Right, there's not there. You have to go home. No, baby, you need to stay in daycare.
No.
Mommy have to pick you up early. Good job, fun dancing. You are wearing your costumes. Iba yung costume niya, guys, sa Thursday class. So, hindi sila sabay sasayaw sa concert. But, meron kasing photo shoot. And, yeah. Hindi nakasali si Mia sa group niya for the group photoshoot. Pero at least may solo. May solo siya na picture. Yes! Because we can't go tomorrow. Yes, baby. Maybe Ryder is there too, baby. We don't know. We will have to be there.
Ryder's not there. The mom and I
Have to go home. You can't go home if you're there.
No.
Because you already signed your email.
Ryder.
Oh my gosh. Kahapon, hindi ako nag-vlog, guys. Mga, I don't know how many days. So kahapon, merong parent information session yung school nila. Yung kindy school niya. But we have to go to the other school kasi yung kindy school niya hindi pa tapos. Hindi ko alam kung na-mention ko sa inyo na it's a new school. So, binibuild pa siya. And estimated date to finish is January pa. So, kung may sessions man kami about sa kindy school niya, we have to go sa other school which is close din sa bahay namin. So, which is good. And dun ginagawa. At kahapon, nandun yung, kasi parents, information session, nandun yung parents, and then kasama din yung mga anak. And nandun si Ryder, nakasama niya sa daycare. And yung isa niyang friend na si Cheska, kasama niya sa daycare. So, nandun sila. And they played sa playground while ang parents nasa session. So, ngayon, hinahanap niya si Ryder. Is Ryder a new one in daycare?
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi hindi ko narinig yung pangalan. I don't like D daw. Si D na naman. You don't have to, baby. It's okay if you don't like him. You can play with other friends, like your girlfriends. So later in the afternoon, I have a NPAC midwife appointment, guys. So, I have to go to the hospital. But I have to bring Mia with me sa appointment ko kasi wala siyang bantay. Kasi 4:45 yung appointment ko later. And, yeah. Mas better na isama ko na lang siya sa appointment ko kasi baka hindi na ako makaabot or baka late ko na siya ma-pick up pag hindi ko siya sinama. She woke up so early today. She transferred to our room at 7 AM. Tapos hindi na siya natulog. Did Daddy sleep with you last night?
Yeah. He stayed with me?
He did stay with you and then he woke up to go to work. You're so lucky. Mommy slept alone. I slept alone on my bed. Oh, alright. She's a bit sad. She's not happy because Ryder is not there. She wants Ryder only or ano. She's just making that reason para hindi siya makapunta ng daycare, guys. But yeah, we asked Joanne kung nandun si Ryder and Ryder's not there today. He's only 2 days. And today is not the day na nandun siya. So, 2 days lang siya dun. But, yeah, she's a bit sad. But Alana's there to comfort her. Yes! It's okay. That's alright. She's okay. Ganyan lang naman siya sa umpisa. Tapos after mga a minute lang, okay na siya. Laro-laro na siya sa laro-laro na siya sa iba niyang friends. I know the drill. Ganyan din yung mga bata dun sa daycare. Ayaw pumunta ng daycare. Pero in the end, nag-enjoy din naman. Tinanong din ako ng manager if mag-stay pa kami. Kasi magkikindi na nga si Mia next year. So sabi ko, hindi ko pa sure, guys. Hindi ko pa sure kung mag-daycare pa din si Mia. Kasi 5 days, 4th night si Mia sa kindi niya. So, sabi naman ng manager, we can do casual if you want to. But yeah, I said I haven't talked to my husband, so we will see. Bahay na tayo, guys. Hindi ko din sure. Yeah, we will see, guys. And then her ballet session, I have to move it to Saturday too kasi she has to go to school on Fridays. Anyway. guys! Nalubat ang aking vacuum. Hindi ko pala siya na-charge. So, I'm just gonna mop the floor here. And then mamaya, continue natin sa taas pag siguro enough charge na siya. Siguro 15 minutes okay na yun. As long as, yeah, ma-vacuum ko yung taas para ano natin, ma-mop after. Alright, kain tayo lunch guys. It's now 2 o'clock. 2 na ng hapon. Hihintay ko yung vacuum na mag-charge. Nasa 25% pa siya. I think that's actually okay na. Kaya lang ginutom ako. Sabi ko, kain muna ako. Tingnan natin kung may bagong episode man yung Lavender Fields. Bakit walang episode na bago? Ilang araw na siya at tinitingnan. Ilang araw na. Wala pa din bago. Nasa season 2 na siya.
Lahat may hanggan at kasamaan ng pamilya.
Maganda na yung Lavender Fields, guys. Season 2 na sila. May ulam is sisig and adobo na leftover. Matagal na sa fridge. So, sabi ko, ubusin ko na. Ang dami kong rice. Kasya kaya? Ubus ko kaya to? Lavender Fields na lang yung pinapanood ko ngayon. Mayroon na! Hindi lang siya naglo-load.
Lahat may hanggan.
Ayan, nanood tayo, guys. Let's go, guys. I'm going to pick up Mia now, and then we go straight to my appointment. And sana, hindi siya dugyot. Ay, ginit-init pa naman ngayon. But yeah, we can change her naman kasi may extra clothes siya sa car. Sa bag niya. We're also done cleaning sa taas. Sana ba sila? She wants help. Ang dami mong sand. We have a lot of sand. Makas? What makas?
Apple pie, French fries, and I want blueberry drink. Give me that.
Oh, it's missing. Where's yours? Who took it? It's missing.
Who took my chain?
Yeah, who took your chase? Huh? Yung charm niya sa kanyang Crocs nawawala. Wala ka. Do we have time to buy makas? Gusto niya mag-makas, guys.
Oh, guys, my chain is missing.
Your chase is missing, yeah. Who took it off? Did you take it?
No, it just took off by itself.
Is it? How come? That was so hard to put on? Someone took it off.
Yeah, I don't know how to take off by itself.
Let's go, Makas.
No,
Gusto
I
niya
didn't take it off
mag-makas.
because it's not there in my car.
It's not there today?
He didn't take it off. So did you know?
So, did you know? Makas tayo.
So did you know, Mommy?
What?
It just took off by itself, but it was really hard.
Hi, what can I get for you? Hi, can I please get the 3 nuggets Happy Meal? Yeah. With salted caramel frappe for the drink, large. Sorry, what was the drink? The salted caramel frappe.
And Mommy, can I have apple juice? Mommy!
Oh, okay.
Mommy, can I also have apple juice?
You want what?
Apple juice too.
Okay. Yeah, just apple juice, please.
Yeah. Was there anything else?
And the large frozen blueberry.
Large frozen raspberry?
Blueberry.
Blueberry?
Yeah. And an apple pie.
And an apple pie? No
Yeah.
worries. Anything else?
Yeah, that's all. Thank
No
you.
worries. No, thank
Don't
you.
forget french fries and nuggets.
Yeah, it's already there, baby. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Mia. Mommy's gonna be late.
Do you want any sauce?
Yeah, ketchup, please.
The apple pie's in the box as well.
Okay. Please, ketchup, Mia.
2
apple juice, right?
These are my...
Oh, I have to open this one first, right? Kumakain pa siya. Sarap na sarap siya. Dito na kami, guys. Dito na kami sa hospital. Tara na. Let's go, there's a car coming. Tapos na kami, guys, sa aming appointment. Batang to, kumakain lang ng kumakain. Gutom yarn. Alright. Come on. This way. Ito yung aming ticket. Free tayo kasi hindi pa tayo naka more than 1 hour. Mabilis lang yung appointment ko actually. Gutom yarn. Dami niyang sand. Dumikit sa ulo. Work na yung kanilang palabasan dito. Last time it doesn't work. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Actually, very good naman ang ating Mia sa appointment. Kaya lang, ano talaga siya, nag-i-interact talaga siya sa midwife. Did you hear the heartbeat of the baby? That was the heartbeat of the baby. The heart. You know, the heart is beating. Yeah, that's right. It was actually her first time hearing the heartbeat like that. Ah, that's nice. You experience it. Did you hear the baby move? Did you feel the baby move as well when the midwife checked mommy's tummy? Yeah. Gusto niya din mag-participate eh. Ayaw niya ako humiga. Kasi gusto niya din humiga. Mommy, I don't want you to lay down. Why do you want mommy to? Why you don't want mommy to lay down? You gusto mo ikaw lang. Baby's position has changed. Sometimes nafe-feel ko na nag-change yung position niya kasi sometimes yung kick niya nasa kabilang side, nasa gilid, yung tapos minsan din nagpupush ng feeling ko yung nagpupush ng bladder ko. So yeah, he still keep on changing his position. So I'll be back there after 2 weeks again. Hindi ko na bakit every 2 weeks ang aking appointment. Before parang every month. Ngayon every 2 weeks. 5:24 na guys. Late ako kanina sa appointment ko ng mga 10 minutes talaga. You want this, Mia? Where's your apple juice? Ang tulog siya, guys. Mia, wakey wakey, we're home. Baby. Mia. Alam ko matutulog siya kasi ang aga niya nagising. Mia, come on. Let's go inside. Kailangan mo pa maligo. You need to go shower. You have a lot of sand, baby. So, bahay na tayo, guys. Hindi ako magluluto for dinner kasi ang dami pang leftover sa fridge. Meron pa tayong sisig. And then, madami pa, guys. So, ano lang ko, magsaing. Si Mia tulog sa couch. Gusto ko sana siya paliguan. But, she's asleep, man. Good luck, mamaya. Ano oras siya matutulog niyan? Nabili ko pala to. Kailan ba ako nag-post? Hindi ko na maalala. But yeah, gusto ko siya i-try. Mr. Kipling 6 chocolate slices. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. So, yeah. Ganito ang laman. Nakaganyan siya. And we bought brownies as well because it's nice. So, paborito siya ni Mia. She loves brownies. So, nung na-try niya to sa bahay ng parents ko, ayun. Mahal lang siya, guys. But yeah, it's okay. Hindi siya matamis. Hindi siya sobrang tamis. Kasi yung binibake namin ni Mia, very matamis talaga yun. Yung sobrang tamis talaga siya. But, yeah, this one's good. So, itry ko tong Mr. Kipling nila na chocolate slice. Marami silang flavor nito. Actually, merong salted caramel, merong lemon. Mia loves chocolate, so try natin. Meron siyang filling sa gitna. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba? Sarap. I think magugustuhan to ni Mia. Pwede pala siya pang ano, pack, pang baon. Kaya lang, may contain 3 nuts daw. Sa school kasi bawal yung nuts. Kasi yung ibang bata, merong mga nuts allergy. So, bawal ipabaon yung mga ganito. Sayang. Maganda sana siya. Maganda yung packaging and everything. Lagay mo lang sa baonan. Iniisip ko yung mga ibabaong kay Mia pag hindi na siya. Kasi may hilig siya mag-rice, guys. Hindi ko alam kung mag-rice ba yung baon ko for lunch or hindi ko alam ano gusto niya. Feeling ko yung request niya, Mommy, I want adobo. Adobo and rice, or hotdog and rice, or chorizo and rice, or noodles and rice. Ay, nako, Mia. Hindi ko yun yung mga i-request niya sa akin. Ano ba yung gusto niyang kainin? Menudo, kumakain siya menudo, guys. Ano pa? Yung mga soup, like puchero. She loves cabbage eh. Kumakain siya ng cabbage. Pag puchero. Tapos yung corn. Hindi ko lang kung pwede bumaon ng corn. Pwede naman siguro. So yung mga iniisip ko na ibaon niya for lunch. Nga gusto niya talagang kainin para busog naman siya. Though, yung school pala niya, kasi kahapon nga pumunta kami dun sa may parents session. So sabi nila mag-o-open daw sila ng canteen. So actually pwede naman siya umorder sa canteen. So yeah, for lunch. But siguro paminsan-minsan lang pag ayaw niya magbaon. And she can order sa canteen. Pero yung order niya, i-deliver mismo sa room nala, which is good kasi mainit-init pa. Tsaka hindi din nila kasi ma-microwave. Iniisip ko, pag binaunan ko siya ng rice, hindi din niya ma-microwave, guys, yung food niya. So, parang kainin niya yung rice na malamig. Pero sabi ni Vinong, nag-aaral din daw siya. Wala din talagang microwave. So, yung baon niya actually, naka-rice talaga siya, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, Asian. So, yeah, naka-rice talaga siya. Kasi yun yung pinapabaon ng tita niya sa kanya. So, kinakain niya lang na, malang init-init. Anyway, pangalawa ko na to. Save natin kay Mia yung iba. Daddy still not home. 6 na, guys. Wala pa si Daddy. Kahapon pina-early pa siya. Sabi, can you make it before 6? Kasi yung parent session kahapon is 6. Baka andyan na si Daddy. Nag-go-cook na si Pochi. Mia don't wanna wake up. Already 7, guys. Yeah, we'll eat all the candies. Here you go, Daddy.
Get the whole bucket. Get the whole bucket.
Daddy, shh.
Get the whole bucket.
She doesn't want to go daycare today after her ballet rehearsal. She knows that Ryder's not there. She said, I don't want to go to daycare if Ryder's not there. She said, let's go ask Joanne. I'm going to ask Joanne. Joanne said he's only Tuesday, Wednesday. So no Thursday. I said, I don't want to go. There's no Ryder.
You just stand next to her. You're going to play with him.
Yeah, and I told Joanne, I think they just want Ryder today because she played with Ryder and Jessica in the school.
They didn't even play with Jessica.
We had a parent session.
I told her to play with Jessica today. No, there's a friend in the store.
I'm scared of Jessica.
I can't wait to see the snaky.
Ito yung gusto niyang ipagawa.
Mommy, can you give me some squares too?
Yeah. Gusto niya daw gawin ko yung ginawa ni Daddy last night.
Look at it.
Wow. Parang tawag dito? Ah!
Hey, Mommy.
Mommy have to clean up the table.
An orange. A little bit. See?
This way. Going this way.
Oh, Mister, look at the way. Mr. Doggy. Show me. Oh, no. Daddy, we can all do it together. Mommy's doing it this side to her side. Swing it, swing it, swing.
Do you think this will work?
Yeah, it will work. It will. Work. Actually work. Mommy,
My leg hurts.
can you teach me the song again? It's like this. Instantly, inside out, sing song. I want it.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Yeah, can you do that song?
Inside out.
Inside.
sing
This is the. This is the Inside Out 2
song. I
song.
got the song.
Yeah. This is
I'll
the.
teach you. Copy me my song. Gotta sing with me.
Okay.
Instantly, inside out, sing song. I want it never long. Instantly, inside out, just song. I want it ever long. Daddy, look.
Wait.
I'm watching. I'm watching.
Okay, ready? It works!
Come on, back it up.
It works! That's so good!
This will be super fun.
Yeah.
Let's pack away together.
Okay, pack away now. We're gonna go shower with Daddy.
Oh, did you know?
Mm-hmm.
How about?
If you're happy and you know it, shake your butt.
She has
I know.
she has a new song. She's singing the Inside Out
Yeah,
song.
I forgot another one. This is the right side. Then C.
This
inside,
is D.
Inside.
This
Then C. Inside out two song. I want it ever long. Then C. Inside out two song. I want it ever long.
Hi.
Hi,
I'm Joy.
Happy to meet you. I'm sadness. I'm so sad. I'm angry. I'm always angry. I'm fear. I'm disgust. I'm fear. I'm disgust. Consistency. Inside out two song. I want it ever long.
Well done, baby.
Really
Oh my
fun.
God. Love Inside Out now.
You gotta get your one. I know. How
Look at
about
Daddy's waiting. Oh.
just get yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red.
Yeah,
And
we don't
then
have time to do that because Daddy was waiting for
I'll
you.
also get yellow, red too.
Great.
Okay, coming.
You didn't hear what she's singing. This is the Inside Out 2
I like
song.
that thing and sing.
Sing, sing.
If you're happy and you know it, shake your ass.
Ew.
Tita Pretty said she loves you too, and Hello Kitty is a rat, not a kitty.
Rat. A rat. Daddy, did you know what Tita Pretty said?
No, I'm waiting for you to go to shower.
And
Go to Daddy, I'm doing it. Go to Daddy, I'll do it.
Tita Pretty said, Hello Kitty is not a kitty. Hello Kitty is a cat.
Rat.
Rat. No? Did you know? Hello Kitty said Hello Kitty is a rat.
What? It's a rat. Okay, that hurts. Aray. Maliligo na sila guys. And ako, maglilinis ng kinainan namin. Ilagay ko sa dishwasher. Uy, masakit ang aking hita for some reason. Kasi na naglilinis ako kanina, minove ko yung basket na may mga clothes sa kabilang room. Ginamit ko yung paa ko. So, all the force was coming from my legs. Tapos, biglang sungkit ang hita ko guys dito. The muscles, na-stretch siguro yung muscles. Alright, pochi-pochi. Mommy's packing away Mia's mess. Yun yung gustong-gusto niyang gawin. Yung, tawag dito. Ito yung mga nilalagay niya. Tapos, itutumba. So, she's been building it like this the whole time. Itong mga squares with Daddy. Kanina wala siya sa mood nung nagising siya, guys. Konti lang yung kumain for dinner kasi naka-nuggets and chips na siya. But that's okay kasi busog siya eh. Naubos niya yung 2 nuggets and fries tapos nag-apple pie pa siya. So, busog na busog yung bata. But yeah. Good luck kasi baka late na siya makatulog mamaya kasi naka 2.5 hours sleep siya. Ha! Good luck naman sa atin, uy!